Welcome back to the last stop on the unmolding train for today. Yeah, let's get into it. I want to start with this because it's evident I'm not a sports girl. It's evident. I be trying, but this is not what a basketball looks like. Don't worry, I got it right. I did it over on this one and it looks proper. It's just, I did this from memory, and basketball inspired is what we're gonna call it. Okay, it's a basketball inspired trinket dish, and we're just gonna make that what it is. If you make fun of me, you're bad mine. And you know, I'm just a girl. Basketball is not and was never my sport. I have been to some games, but it's just not my thing, you know? It's just not my thing. Oh no, let me get this one because I want to see how this came out. And yes, this was done in honor of the Knicks winning, because the first experience I have with basketball was with the Knicks, because I migrated to New York City and my mother was a huge basketball fan back when Latrell Sprewell was running shit on the court, between the braids and his fucking attitude. Yeah, this is what I remember when I think of basketball. I love how this came out. And this is what I was saying. So you see how I did the orange here and then the blue? I actually poured all orange here. You see how blue came through to the front and it looks skewed? That's what I didn't want from that other set. And you see how it's all blue here and still like orange around the rim? I'm here for that. On the back, you see how it mixes, and on the sides, you see how it mixes. I would have been okay with the sides mixing for the other one, but I wanted, again, like I said, clean lines. Like, this is not a thing. This shift is not a thing, because as you pour, it does shift, even though I tried to. It's liquid. It's liquid. I poured extra orange on the back just so we can get more orange on the thing, because I wanted it to come through, but that's just how it worked out. I'm in love with it though. This was intentionally done like this because whatever it came out as a finished product was what I was looking for. And I love how potent these two blotches are, the blue and the orange, because it's like, yes, we're here and this is what we're doing. Okay, and then if y'all know me, y'all know one of my favorite movies is about that Yamed, Love and Basketball. This one I did better. I almost said I'm not an artist. I'm not one of those artists. I'm not a drawing girl, okay? I'm not a drawing girl, so please excuse me, all right? Please excuse me. But yeah, I got me a little heart-shaped, basketball-themed ashtray situation. And then we got this. See, that got way too many lines. How many did I do? 2 up, 2 down? Yeah, it's supposed to be 1, 1, and then 1 across the middle. Listen, like I said, I am not, you know, we're just gonna call this Love of Basketball. But yeah, here we go. Make sure you subscribe to all the things, check out the podcast, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.